Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to unlink reminders from calendar in iOS 18.3. With iOS 18, Apple introduced a new integration that displays scheduled reminders directly in the calendar app, making it easy to manage your tasks and events in one place. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So for this, open the calendar app on your phone. And then tap on calendars at the bottom of the screen. Looking for scheduled reminders in the list. If it is ticked, it is enabled and it is enabled by default. In these new features, you can now add reminders directly from the calendar app. Open the calendar app and then tap at the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Select the reminder instead of an event. Enter a title and set its detail. Choose a date, time and repeat schedule or list and then tap add or save it. If scheduled reminder is enabled, your reminder will instantly appear in your calendar. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to unlink reminders from calendar. If you would rather keep your reminders separate from your calendar events, you can disable this feature with just few steps. For this, open the calendar app and then tap on calendars at the bottom of the screen. Find scheduled reminders in the list under the other section and then tap to uncheck it. Once disabled, reminders will no longer appear in your calendar app but will remain accessible in the reminder app, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to unlink reminders from calendar in iOS 18.3, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.